Yo, it's very rare that I do a face cam video, but I had to do one for these headphones because, you know, they're headphones. I mean, these headphones are very comfortable. I was actually surprised at how comfortable they are. But yeah, you can change the lighting of these headphones.
Hell no.
As you can see on the side. Yeah, changing colors. And also, when the mic is active, it flashes a red. But when you
Muddy.
which is, I feel like it should be the other way around. Should
Muddy.
working and red when it's muted. I don't know. Also, I'm using these headphones without testing how good the mic quality is. So I'm not sure if like the mic should be this close to my mouth or not. So you're gonna have to bear with me. But yeah, I mean, so far these headphones are very comfortable. Oh, my lights are off. Hold on. But anyways, yeah, these are my first impressions. Very comfortable. The top headband part, I don't feel on my head either. It's actually very light, very comfortable. These headphones are, yeah, they're snug and they're light. So yeah, very good first impressions. Yeah, probably for the rest of the video, you're just gonna hear me using these headphones. Also, thank you, Redragon, for sending these out to me. Yeah, very cool. But you know, obviously everything I say is still my honest opinion. But so far I can say that yeah, non-detachable mic and non-detachable cable, that is a fat L for me. But will the quality be good enough to make me proud? We'll find out. The WAIFU ear pad covers, some stickers, a user manual, and of course the headphones with a USB hub. On the hub itself, we have a volume button, a mute button, and a button to change the lighting of your headset. All you have to do to put on the Gooner pads is press this button on the bottom until the cap pops off. And then you can either choose between the regular looking girl or this demon. Yeah, and then what you do is you just press firmly. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. There we go. Just press firmly and it pops in like that. Now I got some anime waifu headphones. Regular H510 ZEUS headset though does have a removable cable and a removable microphone. So it's literally just this anime edition that doesn't. And I don't know why. I guess if you don't want the Gooner edition, you can get the regular edition and get all these detachable items. But yeah, in conclusion, I'm really shocked by the quality of these headphones. I've been wearing them for hours, gaming, editing videos, and I felt no discomfort anywhere on my head or anywhere on my ears. The ear pads are definitely deep enough for the tips of my ears to not touch the ear cups inside, which is a huge plus for me when I get headphones. I cannot have my ear touching any of a headphone when playing games or like just using them in general. It's just way too uncomfortable for me. And yeah, the mic, I was super surprised by the quality of the mic. I usually play games with my studio mic, but when swapping over to my headset mic, none of my friends said anything like, oh, what happened to your mic? Like, why does it sound bad now? Like, it's actually super clear. Even the sound quality, I usually use IEMs when video editing or playing games, and I don't really like using headphones because it just feels too open, if you know what I mean. But yeah, when playing games and when editing videos and just using my computer in general with these headphones, I didn't feel like I was losing anything or missing out on anything, if you know what I mean. It just sounded good. But I'm really surprised by the quality and the comfort of this headset. I would definitely recommend these headphones to anyone who are looking for a more budget option but still want that premium sound quality and premium mic quality. Like, these headphones are actually amazing. Like I said before, the only thing I would want on these headphones is probably removable cables and maybe a removable microphone. But other than that, there's not much to complain about. Everything is very comfortable. My ears don't touch the inside of the headphones, which is a huge plus for me. I literally can't use headphones if they touch the inside. But yeah, super surprised. Great job from Redragon. If you want your own, I have an affiliate link down below that you can use, and as well as get a discount. But yeah, that's it. See ya.